welcome to our channel, It's My Life Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. We're here in Walton Street and later we're going to meet our friend from Europe, Mr. Nicolas and Georgie. So let's go.
Hello. Do you know Margarita Station will soon open? Close soon.
Next month.
Next.
Next month.
In the Machu close. How long time close? You don't know?
I don't know. We don't have idea.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
He said next match close, but we don't know how long time close. Today $54.60. $54.60. You want to buy street foods? No, later. We can eat.
You're Sunday Glide, right? Yeah.
Good afternoon. Малибок. This is Vietnamese restaurant, you know, you forgot maybe. This is karaoke in Vietnamese restaurant. Nicholas, I will check karaoke bar, VIP room. Only.
Like this, sir.
It's VIP room.
We have the karaoke in here like that.
Ah, so.
Yeah, karaoke.
Mhm.
And,
Turn on the aircon in there.
and then you can stay here.
Ага.
Whatever you like. And then we have the karaoke itself.
Mhm.
And you just sing it in here.
Okay, okay, okay. I will put in my YouTube channel. Maybe some of people want to.
Oh yeah. Oh
Sure.
yeah, sure. Yeah, you're a YouTuber?
Yes, yes.
Oh wow, what's your name?
YouTube channel. It's My Life Philippines.
It's my
It's My Life Philippines.
It's my life. That's your YouTube channel?
It's My Life Philippines. It's
Okay,
together.
okay. That's your
Ye-
YouTube channel. Okay,
Yes.
I will search it later,
Okay,
okay?
okay, thank you.
I will check it.
So I will upload to the
yeah,
evening.
yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay, no, good room. Okay, thank you. Because my friend always to go to drink coffee, but we sometimes going to eat in Vietnamese restaurant in Walking Street. We already review before, but first time on here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you. Thanks
Thank
so
you.
much.
So this is VIP room in the second floor. Only Monday is only closed. You have so much money. Give me money. Okay, I will wait you outside.